All right. Andre's on the job. He's just started, and he's already got the passenger T-top done.
Yeah, it's pretty dialed in.
Yeah, and you can even see...
There's a huge... This is nice and smooth and shiny. This is not.
Not as. Look at the difference. Wow. Andre working his magic.
The paint was put on nice. I mean, there's very, very little orange peel. It's nice and smooth. It's coming out nice.
Nice. And the hood's back on. We did have to pull the luggage rack because it's going to be a lot easier to do this back here with the rack off.
All the nuts and bolts soaking to get rid of all the rust so that we don't get any issues with rust or marks or drip marks onto the paint. So
nice. So we'll get that put back once this is all done. Andre's going to continue on. I'm going to continue on up here with very little bit of wiring here. And then away we go. Keep up the good work, Andre. There you go.